In today's digital world, every business owner asks themselves the same question. Is my business really secure? 46% of all businesses were attacked last year. 42% were small to medium businesses. Why are so many businesses being successfully attacked? Because they are leaving their digital front door wide open. Without foundational security, your business is critically exposed. The chances of being breached is 50% annually. It's time to take this seriously. Your business can move from the critical zone by firstly turning on multi-factor authentication, 2. Installing backup for your Microsoft 365, 3. Add a password manager to keep passwords safe and secure, and finally, 4. Install Microsoft Defender for 365 to stop suspicious links and attachments exposing your business. Implementing these inexpensive steps will reduce your risk by 50%. Don't wait any longer. Book a security review today with Cloud Made Simple.